Hey, come here. So let me tell you a secret. Today, I got this for free and a box of like 10 other items, completely 100% free. And if you stick around to the end of the video, then I will tell you exactly how to do the same thing. I will give you my blueprint on how I do this. I get free stuff and I make money every single day getting free products if you stick around to the end of the video. But I'm going to be doing a honest review of this. It has not been sponsored. I'm going to go ahead and try it out, see how it feels. These are Whisper Deer no-show socks. So when you have like the low shoes, you're wearing shorts and you don't want to have any showing socks sticking out. So I'm going to go ahead and look at that and see how they feel real quick. And like I said, at the end of the video, I will actually give you a link of where you can go, and I have my blueprint on how I get all this free stuff. And I'm going to give it to you absolutely free. So look here. Here's the box of stuff that I got today. I also have a huge section of the house filling up with boxes of free stuff. My wife's getting kind of mad because I'm getting too much free stuff. And so because I've been doing this for the last 2 months or so, I'm actually going to start releasing a course to give you detailed information. But if you just want the free blueprint so you can figure it out yourself, I'm going to give you that so you can enjoy free stuff too. All right, so for these here, I got the size 12 to 15 because I got some giant feet. My feet, depending on what shoe size, ranges between 12 and 13. And so when you pull it out of here, it's got a little thank you card in there with the logo. And then each pair of socks is each individually wrapped. Okay, so this is a pair of socks, and then it's got, it says extra large there. It's a pair of socks and it's got a piece of cardboard inside to keep them stretched before you put them on. Also inside the bag, it comes with a little bag where you can wash your socks without them getting all jumbled up and getting stretched out or missing when they're in the wash. So that's pretty cool. I've never seen socks that come with a wash bag. So with these here, you just pull them off, and it has a little bit of a rubber piece on the back so that it holds on to your heels so they don't slip off. And these are cotton and I believe spandex, I believe. I'll go ahead and look at that and make sure, but they feel pretty good. They're supposed to have a reinforced toe so you don't get holes in your toe. And let me go ahead and pop this on and see how it feels. All right, so go ahead and put it on my giant foot here. All right, so it's the no-show socks. It's pretty stretchy, it's soft. It feels actually pretty nice here in the back where it actually holds on to your heel. And so it actually fits like a glove. It's pretty stretchy. It feels nice. All right, so you see that it does have a pretty low profile on the ankle there, and it actually goes down with the curve of the shoe, which is pretty good. Feels pretty good in there. All right, on the other side, you can see it's got a pretty low profile. So it looks like you're almost not wearing anything on your shoes. It's pretty nice. All right, they feel pretty good. They actually feel like they breathe a little bit. It feels kind of like I've got something that's chilling on my feet, which is pretty cool. Fits pretty good, so for me being a size 13, it does fit nice and comfortably. And I can say I'm probably going to like these, especially since in Texas where we live, it's almost always summer. It'll be really nice to be able to wear my shorts here without having to get all sweaty in my shoes. Definitely like that. So it's It's pretty good. I would say I would probably prefer them to be a little bit thicker, but I do like to wear thick socks, as you see, to give me a little bit of cushion while I'm walking. But for people who really like thin socks, these are thin, but they really conform to the feet really nicely. And, you know, for getting them free, it's pretty amazing. All right, well, I want to thank you for sticking around for my unbiased review. Now, since you did stick around, I'm gonna tell you the secret place where you can find out the blueprint that is exactly what I do every single day to get thousands of dollars of free products and sometimes even get paid to get them. So go to freestuff.thattop10.com. So that's freestuff.thattop10.com. And there, if you decide that you want to go ahead and get my free blueprint, I will tell you exactly how I get free products every single day and sometimes get paid to get them. Thanks for watching. If you like this video or this honest review, give me a big thumbs up, and I will be excited to hear about your free products soon as well. We'll talk to you later.